Finding the best gas grill under $200 can be a bit of a challenge. Let's face it, barbecue grills can often be downright expensive. Most popular gas grills typically cost between $400 to $500, with some priced at $1,000 or more. But if you're new to barbecuing, you're probably looking for an affordable gas grill that won't cost you too much. There are many products available to choose gas grills under $200, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best gas grills under $200 from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. These 4 minutes will help you to choose the best products, so without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Cuisinart CGG 306 Chef Style Propane Tabletop Grill. The beautifully designed Cuisinart Chef Style Stainless Tabletop Grill takes a spot on our list for one important reason. It's a professional-grade tabletop grill that gets the job done and doesn't cost a lot. It has 2 stainless steel burners that produce 20,000 BTUs of heat across 276 square inches of primary cooking area. It gets hot very fast with so much heat power, and can provide a perfect sear on steaks quickly. This stainless steel tabletop gas grill weighs in at 22 pounds, not exactly the lightest tabletop model on the list, but portable enough to transport relatively easily. It has twist-start ignition, folding table legs, and adjustable temperature control knobs that provide excellent heat control. What I like best about this tabletop grill is its quality. Cuisinart is known for producing top-of-the-line kitchen equipment, and the Cuisinart Chef-Style Stainless Tabletop Grill definitely lives up to its brand's reputation. Number 2. Royal Gourmet Regal 2-Burner Propane Gas Grill. If you're a big fan of burgers and camping, the Royal Gourmet Regal 2-Burner Propane Griddle is a great choice for you. It's got a spacious 486 square inches of cooking surface, giving you enough area to cook 16 or so burgers at a time or 10 perfectly seared steaks. The grease management system has included a large grease cup for hours of cooking, without having to drain the runoff. This 2-burner BBQ grill is easy to clean, requiring only wipe down, which also seasons the cooking surface. If you want to take your camping barbecue game to the next level with a flat-top griddle, the Royal Gourmet Regal 2-Burner Propane Griddle is an excellent choice. Number 3. Charbroil Liquid Propane Gas Grill. For a truly great cooking experience on the go, consider the Charbroil GRILL 2 Go X200 Portable True Infrared Gas Grill. This sturdy little grill is perhaps the best tabletop infrared grill available. If you've never tried an infrared grill before, you should check it out. In contrast to traditional gas grills, which heat food through convection, hot air, infrared grills cook food through radiant heat. Some kind of solid surface, like a ceramic plate, is heated by the burners, which then radiates the heat upward to the grates. This design creates a separation between the burners and the food, which keeps it from flaring up or smoking and producing juicier food. It has 200 square inches of cooking surface with a single 9,500 BTU burner and stainless steel cooking grates. The Charbroil True Infrared GRILL 2 Go Portable is also very rugged. It's built like a military hardware piece, with a die-cast aluminum locking lid and sturdy side handles. It can take a beating. Positive side of this product. Designed for on-the-go grilling, perfect for tailgating, camping or the beach. True infrared cooking system eliminates flare-ups. High-impact frame with legs and carry handles. Cast aluminum firebox and lid with stainless steel latches. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.